In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and integrate apps into ClickUp using Google's tools and resources. Whether you're new to ClickUp or you've been using it for a while, integrating apps can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Now let's dive into the steps to get you set up in no time. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to ClickUp. If you're not already familiar, ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that allows you to keep track of your tasks, projects, and documents all in one place. It's super handy, especially if you're managing multiple projects simultaneously or working with a team. Once you've reached the ClickUp homepage, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. You'll notice several options here, but what we want is the More option. Simply click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu holds a variety of options that enhance ClickUp's capabilities, including app integrations, which are crucial for automating tasks and connecting with other tools you use regularly. Within that drop-down, find and select Apps. Now this is where the magic happens. ClickUp allows you to integrate with a multitude of apps ranging from time tracking tools, communication platforms, file storage solutions, and much more. Integrations like these can help streamline your task management, reduce manual data entry, and enhance team collaboration. As you explore the available app options, you can start thinking about what tools you use the most. Consider apps that could automate tasks you're currently doing manually or tools that could provide valuable insights into your workflows. Some popular integrations you might consider include Slack for communication, Google Drive for file storage, or Zapier for automating repetitive tasks. Granted, the options might be overwhelming at first glance, but take your time to explore each app's capabilities. When you have identified the app or apps you want to integrate with ClickUp, you'll usually find instructions on how to authenticate and connect these apps directly in ClickUp, making the integration process seamless. Once your desired apps are integrated, you'll experience a more cohesive workflow where your tools work together synchronously. It optimizes your task management experience and improves productivity by eliminating the need to shift between different platforms. And just like that, once you've added the apps you need, you're done. You've successfully navigated ClickUp's integration options using Google's resources. Remember, integrating apps into your ClickUp workspace can truly transform the way you approach your daily workflows. So take advantage of these tools to make your work life a bit more efficient and enjoyable. This guide is a step towards customizing your work environment so it fits your unique needs, enabling better focus and productivity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore other integration possibilities and see what else you can do to enhance your workflows. Thanks for watching and happy managing.